Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are Grassroots Living. We are not used to filming on site, so we'll see how this goes. We really wanted to do this fall challenge out with the fall colors, and we are at Idlewild Park in downtown Reno, Nevada.
That's right.
So, you want to tell them about the challenge?
Our friends at Galleon Adventures, who we just challenged a couple weeks ago, challenged us to a 15-question, just questions about fall and our favorite things about it. We thought we'd do that today and just show you some of the sights of Reno. You know, when we moved to Arizona, we were really worried we were never going to see fall. So when we made this kind of spur-of-the-moment move up to Reno, Nevada, we were so excited just to see all the fall colors.
Yeah, because first we went to Arizona, so we were way far south, and then random stuff happened, and we end up in Reno, and it's like gorgeous. So here's our 15-question fall challenge. Here we go. Question number 1.
What is your favorite Halloween movie? I think we're both in agreement on this. What is yours?
Hocus Pocus.
Yeah.
Because I don't like scary movies, and that one's just fun.
Yeah, that is kind of a classic, funny one, and we just enjoy watching it every October.
Yeah, Hocus Pocus. Does my hair look funky? Should I take my hair down? I'll look like a witch on Hocus Pocus. Okay, so the next question is apple or pumpkin pie?
Well, for me, it's gonna be pumpkin pie. When we're talking about fall, there's nothing better than a pumpkin pie.
On Thanksgiving, that's like the only day that we'll eat it, and it's good on Thanksgiving.
That's true.
But in the fall, I like apple crumb. What's that called? Like with the crumbs on top? But on Thanksgiving Day, I want pumpkin pie with a whole container of whipped cream.
There you go.
That was question 2. Let's go somewhere else for question 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, question number 3 is Halloween party or haunted house?
Halloween party.
Well,
100%.
To me, I'm gonna say, I gotta agree. Halloween party is always fun. But if you're watching people go through it, other than myself, then I just love Ellen's episodes. When she sends her crew out to. Now that's good. That's just good fun right there.
Yeah. So I despise haunted houses, but yeah, I would do a Halloween party. There's food, there's candy, there's friends. You can't beat that. Halloween party.
Sounds good.
All right. Question number 4
is. Would you rather get your pumpkin from the store or from a pumpkin patch? Just would anyone say a store? I don't.
No. Pumpkin patch.
Yeah, I can't even imagine. You get to be outside, walking through the pumpkins, finding just exactly the right one. You got to find that great pumpkin one.
Yeah. Oh, with your grandkids. With your kids or grandkids.
Yeah.
Pumpkin patch.
Yeah, no doubt.
For sure. Okay. Is it recording?
It is recording.
Do you smell that? It smells like fall. Okay, what's the question?
So the question is...
Question 5.
Is, what is your favorite fall scent?
Oh, I just said, did you smell that? I didn't know that was the kind. This is my favorite fall scent.
It is.
I don't know. I mean, you can smell candles, and there's a bunch of different awesome scented candles, I guess, but come out here to the park. This is the best fall smell.
It is.
Is outside.
Question number 6 is, what's your favorite fall drink? I would say hot apple cider. Right now it's 45 degrees, wind chill 39, and it's a little chilly.
Yeah, mulled cider, right? Like apple cider that has like spices in it. That's what I like.
Okay.
It's a good one.
It's good.
Okay.
Okay. Question number 7. Is your favorite fall holiday Thanksgiving or Halloween?
That's a tough one for me because at first I say Thanksgiving, 100%. But then I start thinking about all the kids and their cute little costumes and knocking on the door to get candy, and I do love that. Yeah. Plus, I do love eating candy.
I would still say Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
But just barely.
Yeah, I do love Thanksgiving. I remember Thanksgiving when I was a kid and going over to Aunt Linda's house or Aunt Ruth Ann's or Aunt Donna's and playing with all the cousins, and yeah, that was fun. Good memories. So a lot of good memories happen at Thanksgiving. Halloween too, but I think really Thanksgiving. Okay, so what question are we on?
Question number 8.
8. Oh, there's people fly fishing over there. Okay, we'll show you that. Okay, question number 8. What's your favorite pumpkin-based food?
That is true. That's the question.
A pumpkin roll with the cream cheese, right? Rolled
Oh,
up?
yeah. I like that. You also make a great pumpkin pie with ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
It's a frozen, no-bake frozen pumpkin pie. It's so good. And remember, listen, this is the best one. Soup in a pumpkin. Yeah, soup in a pumpkin. You know how?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you make like a stew or a soup kind of on the stove, and I over-season it a little bit because you're gonna get some juices from the pumpkin, and then you pour the soup into a cleaned out pumpkin, and then you put some oil on the outside, and you put it in the oven and let it bake for a while, and then the pumpkin on the sides, inside of the pumpkin gets kind of soft, you know, it cooks, and then when you take it out, you ladle out the soup out of the pumpkin. And it's it super impresses people, but it's super easy and it's way yummy. That's soup in a pumpkin.
And it really tastes great.
Yeah, so good. Okay, do you guys see the fly fisherman back there? There's one over there and one over there, right?
That's right.
Okay, what's this question?
This question is, would you rather go...
Oh, there's a pretty dog.
Okay, let's try it again.
Okay, go.
Question number 9, would you rather go to a corn maze or a haunted hayride?
Anything that says haunted, Sissy's not going. No, Mama's not going haunted anything. But I love a hayride. Just not haunted. That's not happening.
And again, just being out in the cornfields during a maze, it's fun.
I've never done a corn maze. Have you ever done a corn maze?
I have.
Jealous.
Yeah.
Take me to one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I like that tree. I have to be taller. Look, I've got shadows on my forehead. Okay, that's okay. What's it? Okay, go.
Question number 10. What's your favorite Halloween treat?
Oh, you mean like when kids go trick-or-treating and you steal their candy?
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
I like to steal the Almond Joys because they usually don't care, and it's one of my favorites. And I do secretly also steal Kit Kats and Twix.
Yeah. I mean, mine by far and away, because I like to stretch my fall Halloween candy, which is candy corn, from January to December. I love it.
It's nice.
Those of you that love candy corn, you'll have to agree on me. There's something about eating all 3 pieces. Each has a slightly different taste.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it is so good. Plus, when I'm driving down the road on those long trips that we take, it helps to keep me awake because it keeps my hands busy and keeps me thinking.
We were at a buffet one time, and the buffet always says, don't take any food out of the buffet, and he snuck some candy corn in his pocket because he's a rebel. Question number 11.
What is your favorite fall childhood memory? For me, I think it's Halloween night after you've gone and you collected all the candy. I've got a brother and 4 sisters, and a lot of times we just drop the candy on the floor and then start sorting it out.
Yeah.
And just see what kind of gold mine treats you got, and then you start a little bit of trading if you can.
Trades are fun.
Yeah.
My favorite, is this a fall memory or is this Thanksgiving?
No, just fall.
Just fall? Okay, so all the time our kids were growing up, we've always had a family tradition of doing a fall picnic. And so we just get together with the kids and we make a picnic and go somewhere where the leaves are falling and gorgeous, and we just have a fall picnic. One of my favorites was when we went up to the ski resort in Las Vegas, outside of Las Vegas, and I had made some soup in a pumpkin.
I think it was.
And we hauled it up to the ski resort. It was closed, nobody was up there, but we snuck up there anyway and just sat at a picnic table at the ski resort and had our fall picnic and went for a little fall hike, and it was 100% perfect. Okay, what question are we on?
Question number 12.
Question number 12. Who is this woman behind us? We have no idea. But we took this trail for the first time last Sunday, and we were walking along, and this is a tree stump, and somebody has painted on it. We thought it was super cool and funky. So now for the real question number 12. What is it?
What is your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Ooh, I wasn't prepared for this. You go first.
Mine's easy. It's candied yams. You know, it's the yams at the bottom, just laced with that sugary stuff that's in there. And okay, honestly, it's the marshmallows on the top that are just slightly burnt.
Come on, all y'all know you pick
perfect.
off the marshmallows.
That's me. Guilty.
I don't know, I have a hard time with that because you know how Thanksgiving dinner all kind of becomes one big mashed up mess? That's my favorite. The turkey with the mashed potatoes on top and the green beans mixed up in there and everything. Gravy over everything, and it all becomes one dish and it's all fabulous. And you have to have green olives on the side to make it perfect. Oh wait, say goodbye to our friend.
Bye.
If you have a suggestion for a name for this young lady, you can comment below. She doesn't have a name, I don't think, so let's give her one.
Yeah, drop a little comment down there.
Lucky number 13. Question 13. What is it?
Would you rather wear a sweater or a scarf?
Oh, I don't like sweaters. I look horrible in sweaters. And I don't wear a scarf. Wait, this isn't a good question for me. Hoodie. A hoodie. Sweatshirt, hoodie.
I gotta agree, because I'm not a sweater or a scarf kind of person, so.
Do you guys see this camera shaking? Dean is so
I am
cold.
so cold right now.
It's kind of cold out here. I should take
We just
over.
came from southern Arizona, so. Question number 14 is, would you rather wear wool socks or slippers? At this point, both. I'm freezing.
I'm a wool socks inside my slippers kind of gal. So,
Yeah, she has the world's coldest feet sometimes.
I know, and I like to put him on him. That's the Truckee River that we've been taking these shots by. Sorry, that's not fabulous. I'll get you a good one. It's the Truckee River. It's gorgeous. Okay, so like we said earlier, this is our first time really doing any on-site recording, so we really hope the sound turns out good. Look at these fall colors. Okay, so wait, I'm getting distracted. Do you know I get distracted sometimes?
Yes, I do. Very much aware of that, thanks.
What? Okay. Okay, question number 15. What is it?
What is your favorite fall tradition?
Favorite fall tradition? Oh, I kind of answered that one. Right, with our fall hike.
Yeah.
What's
fall.
yours? Oh, I bet you're gonna.
Look right here.
Oh, you?
Midnight Madness, Allen Fieldhouse, Lawrence, Kansas. Go Hawks, #1.
That's a good one.
They're the greatest basketball team ever.
Okay, but Dean also has a tradition, and he started it when, well, I don't know when you started it, but ever since our kids were tiny, he would go out with the babies and try to catch a leaf. And supposedly, and it's funny how many times this worked, but supposedly every time he caught a leaf falling off of a tree, then
Within 1 week, we would have snow.
it would snow. So sometimes it's like, don't catch a leaf, because we didn't want it to snow. Oh, my camera work is so bad. Sorry. But no, that's a fun tradition to have he and the kids when they were little go out and try to catch a leaf. Even the other day, he was saying, should I go out and catch a leaf? And we both decided no. We're not quite ready for snow.
All right, so I'd like to thank our friends at Galleon Adventures for this fun little challenge. It was
Shadows in my face.
it was just great to answer these questions and think about things from our past and hopefully in our future as well. Let her hold the camera since I'm still shaking.
Sorry about the shadows on our face, but we just really wanted to show you this gorgeous river. Okay, so we know that this is a kind of a Halloween Thanksgiving challenge, and there's not much time to get it done. Maybe you could make up some questions of your own and come up with like a winter or holiday kind of challenge, but we are going to go ahead and challenge a couple people to do this one or to make up another challenge, because these challenges are super fun. And if you're annoyed by them Well, I'm sorry, because I think they're awesome. So as always, we're gonna challenge Macmillan Express because we stock them. And Steve Turtle because we also stock him. And so if they don't do it, we totally understand, because we know you just did one. But we love you guys, and we love to see what you have to say. Did you want to challenge? Who else you can challenge?
You know, we have so many that we follow. It's hard to just think of any offhand. So we'd just like to challenge anyone that is a subscriber that would like to do it. Do it.
Yeah.
I know you only have a couple days to get it done, but still, it would be a lot of fun.
Subscribers, do it, and then tell us you did it, and we'll shout you out on our next video.
There you go. Sounds great.
Yeah. Okay. It's whatever. Do whatever. This is awesome. You're awesome. This is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you, and we'll see you next time.
Peace out.